Hey y'all, Mississippi Madness back with another video. First of all, if y'all can tell, I dyed my hair back black. I like the red in it. I'm gonna probably do that again. Maybe with a different color this time. But the reason I dyed it back black is because every time I would do this and I was doing something down here and y'all could see just the top of my head, all y'all could see was gray hair because I'm getting old. And I don't like gray hair, so I had to dye it, and black was the only color I had, and it just happened. Okay, I'm gonna fix it though. Anyway, this isn't gonna be a normal video, y'all. This is gonna be kind of a vlog just to let y'all know what's going on. I know that y'all are aware that my channel is changing from reaction video, kinda, you know, that kind of stuff, over to a DIY channel. So that's why this is a vlog today instead of a normal video, because I'm working, since I'm going over to a DIY channel, I'm working on some projects, figuring out some ideas, figuring out some projects that I want to do for y'all, and for like Thanksgiving and Christmas. So that's what I'm working on right now, so that's why today's not a normal video. But I do want to show y'all one thing. Y'all remember this little heart right here? It's what I made the mold of for my proto putty. That I made. My proto putty video. Y'all need to go watch that if you haven't watched it. I made a mold out of proto putty. Then I made a plaster casting. And it was white. But I got bored and I painted it. So now that I've painted this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it with clear coat. I had to wait till they dried a pretty good while, just so that the paint, it just wouldn't soak the paint up, and like I would have to put like a million coats of paint on here. I didn't want to do that, so I let it dry. I guess it's been drying for close to a month now, maybe 2.5 weeks, something like that, maybe. So and it did pretty good. I did have to go back in a couple spots and repaint over it, just another little coat in just certain spots, and then after I did that, that was the first plaster cast I made. And then I made another plaster cast later. I can't remember what I was doing. What was I doing? I can't remember what I made, y'all. Oh, I think it was when I made the little skull and pumpkin. I don't think I showed y'all that, but I made the little skull and pumpkin molds and used plaster. And I had a little bit too much plaster, so I just made another heart, and I painted this one, and I'm going to do the same thing to this one. I'm going to clear coat it. Probably going to have to put a couple layers. This one, I don't know if y'all can see them or not, but it's got a few like air bubbles in it. It's because I didn't shake my mold good enough to get it, you know, settled out and get all the air bubbles out, but it's okay because it worked out pretty good anyway. So those are the two. I told y'all that I would show y'all the first one when I got it painted. That was the thicker one. If y'all can tell, they're not the same thickness. Because I didn't have a full mold full of plaster left, so I just did what I had. So that's what that is, and that's what those look like. And again, like I said, I'm going to clear coat them. Probably with a couple coats of clear coat, just so I know that they're sealed good. And then, not sure what I'm going to do with them. I thought about putting them like on my stove as like a spoon thing holder for like when you're cooking. Most people probably use a plate, but I made these and don't have anything to do with them, so I don't know what I'm going to do. Tin Man said something about getting some wall hangers and hanging them up on the wall, so I don't know. I'll let y'all know what I do with them. So anyway, like I said, I know today's not a regular video, and I am so sorry, y'all. Again, I am trying. I am working on some ideas, working on some projects to show y'all how to do, and again, for like Thanksgiving and Christmas. So I hope y'all are going to like them, and I am trying to get a good video put up for Tuesday. So yeah. Hopefully I'll be back to normal on Tuesday with a new DIY video. And again, y'all, send me your ideas. Email me, Facebook, anything you want. Just send me some ideas that y'all want to see me do. And I will try my best to do them. Not guaranteeing they're going to come out really good, but I will do my best. So, let me know. Let me know what you think about my hearts. Do you think they're pretty or ugly, or should I just throw them in the trash? No, I'm just kidding. I'm not going to throw them in the trash. But just let me know. Like I said, show me your projects that you're doing at home. I may feature them on the channel. Send me a video. Send me pictures. And I will see about, like I said, showing them on the channel. And maybe doing one of them. Maybe doing it as a project. Who knows? I might just do that. I love y'all so much, and I appreciate y'all being here. And as always, be sure to go subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell for notifications so you know when I put up a new video. And go check out my new opener, y'all. See how you like it. Let me know. And I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.